In the memories of the great freedom fighters of India who fought their life for India's independence, let's spend some time to remember them. Freedom fighters were people who sacrificed their lives selflessly for the freedom of their country. Every country has its fair share of freedom fighters. People look up to them in terms of patriotism and love for one's country. They are considered the epitome of patriotic people. On behalf of 75th Independence Day, today we can have a glance at some of them. Here we go. Mahatma Gandhi, 2nd October 1869 to 30 January 1948. The father of nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi believed in non-violence movement and fought for civil rights and freedom across the world. He led movements like Dandi Salt March, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement, Satyagraha, among others. Jawaharlal Nehru, 14th November 1889 to 27 May 1964. He was an Indian independence activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India. Considered as one of the greatest statesmen of India and the 20th century, he was a central figure in Indian politics both before and after independence. He emerged as an eminent leader of Indian independence movement, serving India as Prime Minister from establishment in 1947 as an independent nation until his death in 1964. Bhagat Singh, September 28, 1907 to March 23, 1931. He was considered to be the most influential revolutionary during the independence movement for India. In no time, he became a prominent member of Hindustan Republican Association, which changed its name into Hindustan Socialist Republican Association in 1928. Bhagat Singh took revenge on Lala Lajpat Rai's death and in 1929, at the age of 23, he was sentenced to death along with Rajguru and Sukhdev. Chandrasekhar Azad, July 23, 1906 to February 27, 1931. Azad was an Indian revolutionary who reorganized the Hindustan Republican Association under the new name of Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. He even participated in Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement and later fought for India's independence. Hindustan Socialist Republic Association was led by young revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev. Rani Lakshmibai, 19th November 1828 to 17th June 1858. She was the Queen of Maratha, ruled the state of Jhansi, and was the first prominent women freedom fighter who participated in the first freedom rebellion of 1857. She fought against the British army with bravery, and her famous dialogue, Koop Ladi Mardani Wo To Jhansi Wali Rani Thi. She fought a man's war. She was Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, is still remembered today. In 1858 Sir Hugh Ross came to capture the city of Jhansi, but Rani Lakshmibai announced to fight instead of surrender.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
Thanks to these freedom fighters who fought their lives for India's independence, we are able to sleep with no concerns today. So, in their memories, I wish everyone a happy 75th Independence Day. Thank you.